he read that off index cards.
Johnny Clash has been a sort of a familiar face here at WrestlePro. He just hasn't had any, not much luck.
Well, he hasn't had many victories is what he's lacking.
It's true. That is the stat of the
day. He's lucky
day.
just to be here, quite frankly. He can't win a match. And I don't think he's going to have any luck tonight. Former champion that he's in the ring with. Are you kidding me?
What the hell is that? Wait, what is this?
Who's that guy?
That's...
Who are those people?
Well, it's obviously Matt Macintosh.
Well,
it's his escort and girlfriend, Helen Vale. And is that Val? No way. Is that Lamorte?
Matt Macintosh has come to the ring with company. Look at her.
Yeah, she's okay. Former champion, nonetheless.
She's okay, he says. Because he could do better. He's showing me his wedding ring. He's married to his right hand. That's the ironic thing.
Hello.
Dave Destruction I'm talking about.
Listen up. This right here is Valerio Lamuerte.
In English.
A very American man. In tights, but no longer. I have taken him under my wing. There'll be no more dumb gimmicks, no more terrible booking, because of me leading this stud right here. Maybe he too can be a future WrestlePro champion, just like the Bad Apple, Matt Macintosh.
He's got a point.
Johnny Clash, let's be honest. You ever won a match since you've been here?
He's also got another point.
To save you the embarrassment, join me.
Oh, that's nice.
Leave all this jabronis behind. Let me show you the way. Let me help you.
I mean, sometimes you got to make a right decision, kid. This might be one of them.
Hell no.
Oh, wait a minute.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. The match hasn't even started yet.
Here we go. Johnny Clash saying hell no to Matt Macintosh's offer, and that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Roll up.
No. Because Johnny Clash has so much going on right now that he should be turning down people's offers. Oh, no. Just keep doing what you're doing, kid. It's working out great. You should be so lucky.
Look at that. Nice deep arm drag off the rope. And a drop kick.
Whoa. This is a former champion he's in the ring with.
Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Johnny Clash taking over.
Momentarily.
Valerio Lamuerte is on the apron right now. I have no idea what's going on.
He's lost, that's all.
Oh, wait a minute.
Johnny Clash fell down.
Oh!
Big super kick. Johnny Clash tripped over his own feet.
Right away, this is looking like a very strong unit on poor Johnny Clash.
Johnny Clash tripped over his own feet.
Right.
He fell down. He slipped. It's a slick ring service. A lot of guys sweating tonight. It's a hot evening. Big headbutt.
Damn. Right in the cranium there. Here we go. Sends him off. Reversal by Clash.
Not enough. Whoa!
Oh, my God!
Big cutter.
That is called the apple slicer, my friends.
Johnny Clash sent down to the mat hard. It's probably over. Oh, it's only not over because the bad apple, Matt Macintosh, hasn't allowed it
He is
to be
making
over
a
yet.
statement right now. Wait a minute. Up here we go again.
Apple turnover back.
Fans are calling the moves. We don't have to do this. Went for the
Well,
apple
the fans
turnover.
are calling the moves
and,
wrong.
Johnny
Ducks
Clash.
the clothesline.
Oh,
Hits him with a big knee. Johnny Clash drop kicks Matt Macintosh into the corner.
Macintosh
Johnny
on
Clash
Dream Street.
He's going for it. Clothesline in the corner, goes up to the second rope, and
Huge!
knocks the Bad Apple down.
Whoa, he's firing up here. People are trying to get behind Johnny Clash here.
I think Johnny Clash must have gone to school since his last time in Rawway.
Absolutely, looks good. Looks real good. Another reversal, and a huge spine buster.
That was a huge spine buster.
Oh, wait a minute, Helen's on the ramp again. And here comes Valerio. Oh, here we go. This
She's
is where the
pointing
numbers
something
get
out. She's
Look at this
pointing-
kid. Oh, my God.
Oh, Matt McIntosh delivers a
A
big
straight.
German suplex.
That was not Matt McIntosh.
I think it was Matt McIntosh.
Absolutely not.
I'm pretty sure Matt McIntosh delivered that move.
Valerio Lamorte.
I don't think so. He's on the outside of the ring.
Oh, what the hell?
What a move! What a move by Matt McIntosh, and he wins this one with ease.
Oh, my God.
Way to be a decision maker, Johnny Clash. There you go, Johnny Clash. Next time you turn down somebody's offer, why don't you remember what it looks like to stare at the lights from that angle?
Well, folks, it's not over yet.
Oh, yes.
Why is this happening? Ring the damn bell.
Well, I'll tell you why it's happening. I'll tell you why it's happening, because Johnny Clash
come
won't
on.
keep his mouth shut and needs to be taught a little bit of respect.
Blatant disrespect here.
No, the disrespect is coming from Johnny Clash, who is speaking to a woman using not great language.
Come on now.
This is how the discipline is taught, Dave
What the
Destruction.
hell is this? A neck breaker? It's all.
Oh.
Oh, my God!
He may have broken his neck right there. And
Next neck and back and sternum and everything.
well, next time he won't talk to a lady like that. Way to go, Matt McIntosh. Way to be a feminist, quite frankly. Chivalry is not dead, and Matt McIntosh is on top again.
Look out, folks. The Apple Core is here.
All right.
Poor Johnny Clash.
What is going on with Matt McIntosh? My God.
Women and children to bed.
He's having a good time. It's summer. What a romantic. Way to go, Matt McIntosh. Way to go.